Honey?
Hold the elevator. Dr. Barnes.
Crystal?
In.
Crystal?
Awkward. Oh, this one's going up. I wanted to go down.
So did we.
Looks like we both made the same mistake.
And here he is.
Oh, this one looks full. I think I'll take the next one.
Stewart.
Or this one. Ready, then? Boy, am I lucky, huh? I'm in the elevator with two gorgeous, vivacious...
Just watch the numbers, Dad.
I will.
At least we're going down now.
Of course you put on a brave face, but you can see. Call you back. Hello, Dan.
Lydia? Stewart!
Hi, I'm Crystal.
Trust me, she knows.
Folks mind scooting back a bit?
Well, actually...
Dr. Barnes? Oh, isn't she the one whose husband was...